Hello and welcome to each and every single one of you. This is the first episode of Bitcoin Weekly Analysis. We are starting off with the first week of March, which is a holy week, the first week of Ramadan. So, Ramadan Kareem to each and every single one of you. And let's get started with our analysis. We are going to start with a daily time frame. As you could totally see over here, we have been seeing some reversal to the downside, but it's nothing compared to the long move we have been forming. So the market is not 100% bearish, but we will dig deeper into that, and I will be sharing with you the important levels that we should be looking for within the next week and this week also. So this is the larger one. This is the daily time frame. We currently have a well-known level of support around the $70,000 over here, as you can totally see. A good level to buy Bitcoin. We have also formed a neckline over here around the price of $90,000, which is also a psychological level of resistance. Right now it's still a resistance because although we have went for a pump, we have currently rejected off of it. So this level is good enough for us to reject even lower than this lowest low over here. On the daily time frame, we are still forming bullish waves, as you could totally see. This is our previous high. This is our previous low. We have formed a higher high and we have formed a higher low. Even though we go down until we see a retest around the $70,000, it's going still be a higher low. So that's what we're going to look for. The thing is, why I'm a little bit bearish, why I think that there should be a retest even close to the $70,000 price of support, because there seemed to be this double top pattern over here. If you are a member of our Telegram channel, luckily we have predicted the top of the dump. We have even predicted the fake out, and we have went for over, let's see, over 25% move on leverage. So none of the messages were edited. This is 100% legit. I have predicted that we were going for a fake out over here and then an instant dump, because it was obvious that we were forming a neckline over here before going for another high. So the chance for going for a double top pattern was huge, and right now we have broken from below of the neckline, which is bearish. So what we could be expecting from here, we could be expecting to see some rejection to the downside even until we have a retest around the price of $70,000. So right now I will not be bullish on Bitcoin until we go for a retest around this price. Even if we zoom in to the 4 hours time frame, I will open another chart for a clearer vision. So right now what we could totally see is we have formed a dump rally scenario around this price over here. So Bitcoin might go sideways. Bitcoin might go sideways before we break from below of this low. So we will see some sideways movement. Maybe we will go down over here, fill the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, then go sideways again, and then we will dump and fill the base, and we will start going to the upside again. Maybe we will have another retest on the neckline of the double top pattern over here, maybe even a little bit higher. It could be even here. We could see another retest over here, and then we will go back down, because what I could see is that right now we have formed a dump rally scenario, and it should be enough to break other highs. It should be enough for us to have another retest on the neckline of the double top pattern before seeing another dump to the $70,000 daily support. So this is what I'm currently seeing in the market right now. What I'm saying is it should be a little bit unpredictable, because although we have a confirmed bearish scenario, we are currently fighting against bulls over here, so the market should really be hard to trade and hard to predict. That's why I don't recommend using a lot of funds, scalping. Just keeping it simple, keep your stop losses tight and keep your entries sniped. That's how you trade a sideways market. So again, what we are currently predicting is we are currently predicting a dump until we see a retest around the 0.618 Fibonacci. We could go sideways up, and then we could go back down and fill this long entry. So what I believe is, I believe that we could go for a long position over here around the price of $80,000, which is also a psychological level of support, and we could have a tight stop loss, and we could have multiple targets. The first target should be around the price of, let's see, the first target should be the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, so it's going to be $84,610. This is going to be the first support, like lower risk over here. And the second target should be around the price of 89,400. And the third target should be close to the neckline, or around the top of the neckline, which is around the price of $92,000. So over here on this video, we have a guaranteed scalp position. So it's two scenarios, whether we go for here and fill the entries around the base and reach the first target, or at least even reach the neckline. And from the neckline, we will start looking for a riskier short position from around this area until we go back to the $70,000 support. We will keep on updating you slowly on the Telegram channel and letting you know if we have a confirmation. But for me, I'm going to leave a limit order over here, and I will just wait for that limit order. I will not wait for any confirmation. For me, my scalp is ready over here. I have a limit order and I will just wait for it. So that's what I mean by sniping entries. So moving on forward to the 1 hour time frame, let's see what we have over here. So I'm moving on to another chart. Let's do the MEXC exchange. So as you can totally see over here on the 1 hour time frame, we have support over here. I'm not going to rely on it for long, because even if you go and form a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, you will find that we have broken from below of it. So it could generate more short orders, enough for us to break from below of this. We could have a retest and then boom, fill the entries over here of our long position. So that's what we have right now. If we go for a first target, or if we go for a stop loss, I will definitely make another YouTube video. But I'm pretty sure that we could reach the first target at least. That's what I'm hoping for. As you know, trading is a process, and we should be ready for any case scenario. But as I said, I am kind of confident about this trade, and I believe that it could generate good profits. So we will follow it step by step. Right now I have my limit order over here, and I have my limit order of target, because it could be even a quick move from entry to target. So that's what we are going to do. Let's try to zoom into the 30 minutes time frame. Everything seemed to be bearish, so I think that we will keep on going down from here until $80,000. So right now we are looking for $80,000, and once we reach $80,000, we will make a new YouTube video for you. So make sure to follow the YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and feel free to ask me if you have any kind of question via Telegram or Discord. Have a good night.